So today we're taking a look at a gaming desktop that's clearly designed for people who want strong gaming performance without spending premium money. And honestly, after testing this setup, it delivers a much better experience than expected for a budget gaming machine. This desktop comes packed with a Xeon E5 12-core processor running up to 4.0 GHz, an RX580 8GB GDDR5 graphics card, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, a fast 512 GB SSD, plus a 1 TB hard drive for extra storage. On top of that, you're also getting Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, Windows 11 Pro, and RGB keyboard and mouse accessories included right out of the box. The biggest surprise here is definitely the gaming performance. The RX580 may not be the newest graphics card on the market, but it's still one of the most reliable GPUs for affordable 1080p gaming. Games like Fortnite, GTA 5, Valorant, Minecraft, Apex Legends, Rocket League, and even Call of Duty run surprisingly smoothly with optimized settings. For esports and competitive gaming, this system actually performs really well. Titles like Valorant and Fortnite can push high frame rates, giving gameplay a smooth and responsive feel. And for casual gamers, story games and open-world titles remain very enjoyable at medium to high settings. One thing I immediately noticed while using this PC is how responsive the overall experience feels. The 16 GB DDR4 RAM helps with multitasking, and the SSD makes Windows 11 boot quickly while also improving game loading speeds. Everything from opening apps to switching between tasks feels fast and smooth. The extra 1 TB hard drive is also useful because modern games are getting massive. Having dedicated storage for game libraries, videos, school files, or editing projects is a huge advantage, especially for people who don't want to upgrade storage immediately. Now let's talk about the processor, because this setup uses a Xeon E5 chip instead of a standard Ryzen or Intel Core CPU. A lot of people underestimate Xeon processors, but these chips are built for heavy workloads and multitasking. With 12 cores available, this desktop handles gaming, streaming, editing, browsing, and background applications surprisingly well. That's what makes this PC interesting. It's not trying to compete with ultra-expensive gaming rigs. Instead, it focuses on delivering balanced real-world performance for gamers who want solid gameplay and good multitasking without paying premium prices. Visually, the setup also looks like a proper gaming system. The RGB lighting adds personality to the desk setup, and the included RGB keyboard and mouse make the package beginner-friendly. For someone building their first gaming station, having everything included is actually really convenient. Connectivity is another strong point here. Wi-Fi 6 provides faster wireless internet performance, which is great for online gaming and streaming, while Bluetooth 5.4 makes pairing wireless accessories quick and easy. The 650W power supply is also nice to see because it gives room for future upgrades. If you ever decide to upgrade the graphics card or add more storage later on, the system already has a decent foundation to build from. Of course, there are limitations. This isn't designed for ultra settings with heavy ray tracing in every modern AAA game. But for 1080p gaming, esports titles, streaming, productivity work, and daily use, this machine offers a very balanced experience for the price. And honestly, that's why setups like this are becoming more popular. People want affordable gaming systems that actually work well in real-world situations, and this desktop manages to deliver exactly that. Hi guys, if you want to buy this gaming desktop PC, Xeon E5 12-core up to 4.0 GHz, RX580 8GB GDDR5 graphics, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD, 1 TB HDD, Wi-Fi 6, BT 5.4, 650W PSU, Windows 11 Pro, RGB keyboard and mouse, then please visit the link provided in the description. For anyone searching for a capable gaming desktop without spending a fortune, this setup definitely deserves attention.